This video I will explain artificial intelligence with a school student analogy. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It means machines or computer programs that can think and learn in a way that looks like a human intelligence. Instead of just following fixed instruction, AI can analyze the data, look at the information, learn patterns, understand what usually happens, make decisions or predictions, guess the next step or best choice. Now the analogy we are taking is AI as a school student. A student learns when teacher shows them many examples. For example, the teacher shows 100 pictures of cats and dogs. After enough practice, the student can say that is a cat or that is a dog. AI works the same way. It learns by looking many examples until it recognizes the patterns. Making mistakes and learning. What is a student learning process? A student might say, this cat is a dog. The teacher corrects them. Over the time, the student makes fewer mistakes. What is AI learning process? In case of AI, AI also improves. At first, it makes errors, but with more training and corrections, it gets better. Just like students learn from their mistakes, AI system improve their accuracy through continuous feedback and correction. The power of practice. Practicing repeatedly. A student keeps practicing math problems until they can solve them quickly. Like that, AI practices with data again and again until it can predict or decide correctly. The more practice, the better the performance, whether it is a student or an AI system. Specialist versus all rounder. Math specialist student. Great at math but not good at art. It is like a narrow AI. Does one thing really well, like face recognition. All rounder student. Good at all subjects. This is like general AI, something scientists are still working toward. Using knowledge in real life. A student uses what they learn in the school to solve real world problems, like calculating shopping cost or writing essays. AI does the same. It uses what it learned to give us directions. For example, Google Maps. AI recommend movies and shows based on your preferences. For example, Netflix. AI can answer questions and provide assistance. For example, chatbots and visual assistants. Now we will see the summary. You can think of AI as a student in a class. AI learns from examples. AI processes the data like a student learns from the lessons. AI improves with practice. More training leads to better performance. AI becomes a specialist. For example, narrow AI excels in specific task. AI aims to be an all-rounder. General AI goal is human-like intelligence. So AI is like a student who never stops learning. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes.